Hello YouTube, I am making my first ever video, and I know this isn't very good quality, but it's on my iPad, so whatever. But I am going to be doing vlogs weekly. I think it's mainly going to be me, like doing all the stuff I do, like I don't know, like just doing stuff for you guys. And if you start watching, thank you, and please tell your friends about this. And I have something a little bit. 1 second. You heard her again. This little kitty. Yep. I have a cat named Wednesday. Say hi, Wednesday. Wednesday, say hi. I will do more videos with her. But I just want you to meet her, and this is just so amazing for me because I've done a video before, but I hate it, and I'm probably going to delete it, and my cat is rubbing off on my curtain. And I have inspirations. I have YouTube inspirations, no doubt about it. And that has to be Matthew Santoro. He's just amazing. Look him up. He's funny for me, and some of his videos can get kind of scary. I don't want you to get too scared of him. He's from Canada, so, and he can get pretty funny and scary and creepy, and you might not want to watch him, but I still find him funny. And I'm going to add music at the end. See you guys later. Actually, no. I don't know what to do for my first video. Probably going to embarrass myself. Something like that. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know. So I guess I am going to see you guys next week, or talk to you, or whatever I am going to do next week. Again, this is the Ostrich Gamer. I play Clash of Clans, Animal Jam, other games, like maybe even watch YouTube videos. I don't know. But this is just going to be my first video, and I don't really know what else to do. There's not really much in my room for you guys to do. Oh, a tour. That's great. So, this is my room. As you can see, I'm a major hockey fan, going to Plant Hockey. There's my cat. That's right. Actually, I don't think I got pictures of her. But in here, over there is my little lizard. He is somewhere around here. And I know this was not a high quality video. I'm going to add music at the end. And I don't know what music to do, so I'm just going to do random music every week. See you guys later.